Hi guys, I just make a experiment today since it's really cold. So this is what my experiment today. So I'm here in my kitchen right now and boiling the water. As you see, it's boiling water. Yeah. So this boiling water, I'm gonna throw away this outside how it is turned the boiling water. Because it's really cold outside. It's negative 20 below zero. So let's go. All right, here's the boiling water. It's a smoke heat. It's a boiling water, and I'm here outside. And let's see what's happening. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh wow, more. Woo! Wow. It's turned to frost. Grabe. Yeah, grabe katugnaw. Ang tubig nga gabukal akong gilabay sa ice. I mean like that. It's turned to frozen water also. Wow, do you imagine that cold, guys? Grabe. So, I'm here outside now and it's done. Empty water. And it's really cold now. My foot is freezing, so I'm gonna go get in the house right now. Grabe. This is Minnesota. Minnesota cold.